Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and let me show you 5 tricks for the following smartphone. So let me show you a couple of cool features that can be used on this device. The first one is eye comfort. So if you would like to adjust your display to your eye comfort, you have to open the upper bar, and here you have to choose the eye comfort, as you can see right here. If you would like to check the settings of eye comfort, let's hold down the eye comfort for a little bit longer. And as you can see, eye comfort mode filters out blue light to relieve visual fatigue, and in eye comfort the screen will have a yellowish tint, so you can disable eye comfort right here, or you can, for example, choose scheduled and switch on eye comfort automatically and the exact period of time. You may also check some color temperature right here. You can make it a little bit warmer or cooler. That's it. Let me disable eye comfort, and let me show you also the second trick, so the storage cleaner. If you would like to clean some storage, if you would like to wipe some junk data, junk files, you have to open the settings, scroll down, choose storage, and select storage cleaner. The device is looking for some junk files, for some not necessary files that can be easily deleted, and here you can choose clean. You just free some space and delete some junk files. So that's it. You may also use the simple mode. So let's go back and let me show you the first trick, the simple mode. Choose system, tap simple mode, and you can enjoy the minimalistic and clean home screen. Let's just tap apply. And this is the simple mode. So as you can see, the most important features, the messaging, dialer, contact, camera, music, gallery, and other stuff. If you would like to choose settings, you can choose settings. Here you've got some most important settings. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose more settings, scroll down, choose system, simple mode, and tap exit. That's it. Now let me show you how to use the gloves mode. So if you would like to use your device with your gloves, you have to open the settings, then you have to find and select the smart assistance and enable the gloves mode right here. That's it. And at the end, let me show you how to take a screenshot by using the knock method. So you have to just knock twice on your screen. Let me show you one more time. And you just save the following screen. Let me show you one more time. Let's knock twice, and you just save the following screen. So it's a knock screenshot method. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.